One of the plugins that you can utilize in ChatGPT is a therapist as well. So to do that, you need to go around onto Explore GPTs right here. And let's say, for example, I'm going to go for a therapist right here. So I'm just going to go around over here and then just type in therapist right here, just like this. So once I go around and do that, you can see that there's non-medical therapy right here. So just like this, you can go around and start the chat right here, just like this. So once I go around and do that, this is what you have, as you can see right here. And now what you can do is you can simply talk to it. Let's say, for example, I am having too much work today and I am exhausted right here, just like this. So if I were to go around and do that, it's looks like you're feeling really it sounds like you're really feeling the weight of today's workload. It's essential to take care of yourself even during busy times. Have you had a chance to take any breaks? And sometimes just a few minutes or a short walk can make a big difference. What's one small thing you could do right now to recharge? Let's say, for example, I can't take a break right now. Let's say, for example, if I were to go around and do that right here, that sounds tough, and you can see that it starts talking back to you right here, just like this. It's like it tells you to take a deep breath, a couple of minutes at your desk and so forth, and stretch a bit as well. And that is how you can go around and utilize the therapist a plugin inside of ChatGPT, and then talk to a virtual person in order to ease yourself out. So hope you guys learned something as always. As always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.